So that's just some of what we got up to at Walker Stalker this past weekend, the first big event that I've ever gone to as Ace Cosplay with my own table. Actually pretty exciting, so I've got to do some thank yous. First off, thank you to Matt, who was actually the one who got me into the event and sorted out everything for me to actually be there. Thank you to other Matt, who was in the Zombie Trooper uniform pretty much all day for both days, and he's also a much better Zombie Trooper than I could ever be. Finally, but definitely not least, my parents, who actually helped me out with pretty much all of it, from packing to driving to looking after the table. I know I won't be able to do any of these events without them, so thank you guys so much. Also, as usual, gotta say thank you to the people who support me on Patreon. Links are always at the end of the video and down in the description if you want to do that. So I've got to say a big thank you to Jeff Kenny and the little name that's just popped up on the screen here. So if you guys enjoyed this and you want to see more Zombie Trooper stuff, you can check out this video up here. Or if you want to see some more Walking Dead stuff, I've actually done a couple of videos on how to make Lucille's, both real and replica. So you can check out my real Lucille down here, which is now signed by UK Negan. Thank you, buddy. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, may the Force be with you.